What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Limitless Profit. I really appreciate everybody's patience. I disappeared for about 4 months, haven't even made a video for the last month, but we're back. We're ready to do it. We have some new signal providers that we're going to go ahead and review per your request. And in the future, I'm going to show this. This is my first FTMO that I've ever tried, and we're currently up $13,400 on 17 trades. That's because I scale in. One thing I definitely need to work on personally is scaling out, but this is how we're doing right now. So as you can see, it's active, FTMO. I'm trying the 200,000. Boom, all done pretty much in one day. It does say 2 days. There's the drawdown there. I was in 3 positions that had some drawdown of $3,609. What was I in? I was in gold, GBP odd, and GBP USD. All of them each had their own little bit of drawdown, but hey, we got it. We're shooting 100%, and well, not 100%, but because you see the win rate's actually 88.24% because I scale in, so I actually close some of them not in the profit. But as you can see, good risk to reward, profit factor. Everything's doing good there. Pretty much all taken in one day on the 10th, which is today. Some of them were taken, just because of the hour rollover between, the sessions and stuff. It was actually 2 days, but they all counted on one day. Anyway, that's coming in the future, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Look out for that. What we're going to get into today is, boom, here are the current signal providers that I'm going over right now. So we have TJFX. We have his VIP. I still have his VIP. He does have a premium that costs a little bit more than this, but I'm still in the VIP only, and he's doing okay so far this week. I'm going to make sure to chart every single trade for you guys and then display it. I already have, I paid for TradingView. I'm new to TradingView. I've never used TradingView. I've always used TD Ameritrade. That's the only broker I've ever been with. So now that I'm on FTMO, I decided to go to TradingView, getting used to that platform. I literally subscribed yesterday for the pro charting software. That way I can save my charts and data, and I can plot little flags and stuff for you guys. So you can see kind of what the market's doing when they take their trades. Maybe we can learn a little bit off of it. So I'm not taking all of their trades in my FTMO. Very few, in fact. Not all of them do I agree with. Or, I don't understand why they're doing that. So I stay out of it. So that's the benefit there. So here we have Will SSFX. This is only his gold channel. Okay. So the reason I went with TJFX's VIP is because Will SSFX and TJ's VIP, they're roughly the same price. So it's a good comparison. They're roughly the same price. They're both signal providers, and they only deal in gold. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. So possibly if they're both saying buy, maybe I should buy. If one's saying buy, one's saying sell, I mean, maybe I could follow both of them, and then they would kind of cancel each other out, right? So, there's possible benefits to it. There's also possible negatives. But the way they deliver their signals is very different, and I'll go over that when I isolate and do the weekly review. Yeah, like last week, Will SSFX, he only sent one trade, okay? And it hit 5.3%. So, I mean, not bad. You send one trade all week, 5%. That's, it's not about quantity, it's about quality. And that's looking real good. So, let's see. So, there's that. TJFX, he sent a couple. I know that I put on Instagram that I was doing this review for you guys, and yeah, I was waiting for someone to send a signal, and they all actually happened to send a signal yesterday, which was Tuesday. So I wanted to also make sure that I'm not revealing any info that's paid. So yes, I caught that. Let's vote. Oh, nope. Someone closed break even. But yeah, I closed this position. I was already in it before he said, and I was out of it before he said close it. So You know, I'm kind of doing my own thing. Like I said, I'm not following their signals to the T. However, I do have a surprise for you guys that I didn't mention, which I'll go over that here in a second. Let's see. I still have MyFX Journey, her free group up here at the top. Yeah, we want a free signal. Of course we do. So, you know, when she sends her free signal, I'll evaluate it. If I understand it and I agree with it, I'll go for it. If not, I'll leave it alone. So this right here is Lambo Raul's signal group, and he actually here's a couple that he did here. So this GBP JPY, I didn't really understand that trade. It actually ended up working out for him. Good job, very nice. It skyrocketed, which was crazy. So it must have. I was already in gold, GU, and GA. So when he sent this signal, I was pretty much like I didn't have the mental capacity to go through and mark up the charts because I didn't have any charts marked up on TradingView. So I just left it alone. This GU trade I was actually already in. He sent a signal for that one, and then he said, you know, he didn't like the setup. GU, close it out at break even. He doesn't like the way it's rolling. I actually held it, and I closed for profit. So it did actually drop out, and GJ went up just like he thought, and GU went down just like he thought. And yeah, so I caught one of the two. But yeah, he's kind of taking his time. I think this week so far he's at 100%. I don't think he had a... No, he did have a losing trade. Which trade was that? Do you have a losing trade this week? Maybe he didn't. I don't remember. But yeah, I will... I'll keep monitoring that, and I'll mark his charts on TradingView. I'll put a little flag on every single spot where he took a trade, and we'll go from there. So here's actually my surprise. So A1 Trading, I've been a part of A1 Trading, their group, since January. They were the very first, like, I guess they're a signal provider. Yeah, they're a signal provider that I was ever a part of. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys theirs. Theirs is on Discord, but here's some other people that I'm watching. That see, I don't even read all these notifications that they put out. Like CJ, FX 602 notifications. I don't Robot Nation, Signals Live 509 notifications. So I'll eventually, this one I've been watching, XL VIP channel. Someone actually just put a request to do this one again. So yeah, we'll definitely be getting around to them for the next phase. But yeah, so here's a couple of them. Let's see. The surprise here is, let's see, I went over that. Oh, and by the way, to get these signal providers on the Telegram, all you got to do is go to their Instagram. So you come over here to the Instagram, and let's see. Let's find one of them. Lambo Raul. Okay, so we'll click on Lambo Raul. We'll click on his name, and then where is it at? Daytradinginstitution.com, I guess would be. And then here's a signals tab here. Let's see. Can we get it in the signals tab? Oh, it was his YouTube video. Okay, so I believe actually I went to his YouTube channel, and I was able to click on his Telegram feed from his YouTube channel. So Day Trading Institution is also where you can reach him, but the website's not up right now, so maybe check back if you guys are watching this in the future after posting. So maybe that website will be up. Let's back out here. All right, let's see who else. Will SS Forex. So this guy right here is the one that we went with. Boom, and there's his link right here, right under his name. You click it, it'll redirect you from Instagram straight over to Telegram. Maybe. Maybe not. All right, we're gonna skip it, but that's how you do it. All right, cancel. But that's how I found him. Let's see, and then TJ the Trader, TJFX. Click on his name. It says I have full bars. What is going on? But there you have it, TJ the Trader. I'm sorry that the internet isn't loading up right now for you guys, but that's how you find his Telegram channel. So I'm not going to go through and link them all in the description. I will link their Instagrams. I'll tag them with a hashtag, and I accidentally put TJFX, which, okay, there we go. Might not be right. So here's his link, TomFX right here. Boom, click on it. All right, this one's loading in. There you go. So you got VIP signals, free signals, his YouTube channel, his second channel, and that's how you would find him. So yeah, I think is everyone profitable so far this week? I don't know if he is or not. Actually, nope, it's his first loss in 3 weeks, and we didn't take that trade with him. I stayed out of that one. I didn't go long. I don't think I was even in a position when he sent that signal. But yeah, we did short it, which is what he recommended you do. But I think I shorted it after he did. So it made a big push up and it hit his TP, or sorry, his stop loss. And then I think I got in after that and then shorted it down. So yeah, we didn't take this L, but so he's only sent one signal so far this week. It was a loss, but he's pretty picky about him, it seems like. So we'll check them out, and I'll give you guys my full review. And then the surprise here was A1 Trading Forex. All right, so Nick the Trader. I've been a part of him since January. Literally, I think it's like $150 for the year, and it was literally the very first signal provider when I got the great idea to review signal providers, but I really just haven't had the time. And now that I'm not working, I'm trading full time. I have the FTMO thing going. Literally in one day, I did 13,400. So hopefully we'll gain access to that account, and this will be my full time gig. So I'll be able to set up a sweet office and run this for you guys. But yeah, he's sent some really good ones. Some I didn't agree with, some I did. So this one, I didn't take this. It was early in the morning and I was leaving. So what time did he send this? Okay, at 10:30 a.m. Today. So I was headed out the door, and I didn't take this trade, but it ended up working out very nice for him. Sorry, it was at 6:50 this morning. 6:50. Yeah, he said sell. That was a good one. What else? The sell right here on GU, I don't know, if that one worked out for him or not. I don't remember taking that one. AU, there were a couple in here. So this buy, I think, yeah, this buy actually crushed it. He sent this buy signal, I believe, on the 7th. Never mind, I take that back. Anyway, I'll go through and do a review on him later in the future. Like I said, I've gotten him for a year, and I don't really pay attention to his signals, honestly. I did catch one last week before I had the FTMO in my live account. This one right here. This Euro USD sell. I mean, that was perfect. I pulled up the charts. I marked it out. I definitely agreed with what he had going. I did get a 10 pip better entry than him after the signal was sent. I did my markups and everything. It pulled back a little bit higher, and then I jumped in right there. And yeah, I got out good on that one. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video, and this is what we got coming. So make sure to stay tuned for the reviews. I wasn't really impressed with Mamba FX. Lambo Raul, people are telling me that he's a scammer, this and that, just like Daniel Savage. But, we're going to buy him. We're going to check him out. I haven't heard too much negative reviews on TJFX or Will SSFX. So, everyone has their bad weeks. But by what I hear, they've been able to recover their bad weeks the following week. So, what I've noticed is that 1 week out of the month, the market is choppy. like going straight sideways before it breaks out. Usually every pair once a month for 1 week is doing that. So, you know, as long as he's able to pull it out and come in profitable, that's all we care about. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to check back, turn on the notifications. I don't post very often, but when I do, I try to make it good content. Finally, I will be able to mark up charts for you guys and show you exactly where they got in, exactly where they got out, and kind of what the overall trend is doing. Maybe I'll throw a 50 EMA and a 200 EMA. I like the 55 EMA and the 233 EMA. Very minor difference, but mentally it's one of those things that I do. But yeah, so we'll talk about all that in the future. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. Until the next one, I wish everyone limitless profit.